Today, we're testing hydrogen water bottles in the durability test. We'll walk you inside and show you some different versions of the hydrogen water bottles. There's many online to choose from. Which one's best for you? Well, it's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. We believe we have the best bottles in the market. We have our PeakH2 and we also have our HydraShot. The PeakH2 is designed for those of you that want to drink a little bit more water. It's a little bit more friendly to use. And we also have a port at the top which lets the gas out so it doesn't explode. Now, what we're going to test today is we're going to test the durability. Like I said, we're going to just drop. This is a glass bottle. If you are finding the glass bottles online because you don't want the plastic, don't worry. We use Triton plastic here, which is the highest quality you can get. It doesn't leach. With glass, how you make the hydrogen is through pressure. So if you know anything about glass, it does not withstand the pressure. So is it going to drop and still work? Let's find out. It dropped and it's still going there. And we have the PeakH2. It dropped as well. So it's still working, which is great. And this glass bottle, I'm pretty surprised it didn't break. But what if we do, on the top, it definitely showed that it definitely had some, but let's try it again. Wow, that's pretty darn good. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so that's 2 times of dropping it pretty good. We got some smashes here at the top, but let's go ahead and take you inside here and we'll show you some of the other bottles. This is the Vista Health Medical Building here in Kennewick, Washington. We're going to be hosting our first live event January 24th. So for those of you that are in our local area, we're going to be explaining these hydrogen water bottles and why we believe the hydrogen is the best coming from Healthy Hydration. We'll also talk about our infusion of this medical gas into the nose, into the eyes, and into the ears. We'll also have our technology, which is energy, radiates in through your body, helping to balance our unique energy centers to balance your body. So back to our water bottles here. We have our HydraShot. So let me just show you here why we love it. HydraShot, you can also change the cap to make it an inhalation cap. You push the button, it gives you a timer. It's going to go for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. On the back, this is a cap. What we found throughout the years is that if you get water in here, it fries the electronics. So when you're looking at different bottles on the market, you're going to find that a lot of these don't have the cap. This one here is a popular bottle, which Gary Brecka was recommending. It doesn't have the cap. It also does not have the pressure release valve. If you don't have that, you're going to find that there's leaking everywhere. Because as the pressure builds, if it doesn't have anywhere to go, it's going to go out all over your paperwork on your desk. And this is the cap that comes with the HydraShot. So this is able to inhale the gas as well. There's 2 different therapies. So we have the cap, which is unique and different on ours. We have the back cap. And then with our PeakH2, this little guy here on the bottom, it's got a port because if there was any condensation, it traps it and you can just let it out. So that's something we added to this. And it's very user friendly. Just push the button and away you go. You also have the 5-minute and the 10-minute. They've been certified through the Hydrogen Water Quality Association to withstand the durability test and also the hours of production. Hours and hours and hours we run them to test them. We also send the water off to a lab to see if there's any heavy metals present after it's been ran. We have no heavy metals in our water, which some of the other ones have heavy metals in the bottles. So you definitely don't want that. If you were going to go to the brain doctor to get brain surgery because you had a health issue in your brain, you would not look for the cheapest brain doctor. You would look for the best, and that's what we have here with Healthy Hydration. We also are able to produce the therapeutic dose of hydrogen, which is at least 0.5 parts per million per liter. We get 3 to 5 parts per million per liter. So you don't have to drink as much, and it's going to give you more bang for your buck. So check it out. Go to healthyhydration.com. Let me know if you have any questions. Let our team know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.